Hey guys, I'm Nick Drosos and welcome to Code Red Defense. So we got a question is, Nick, how do I defend from a gun from behind the rear? So we're looking at it, the gun is placed here. Now, all right, so this is what separates, what me and Patrick are trying to teach you guys, Code Red Defense, from all the other systems out there. And before we even made the video, we talked about it, we did some scenarios. We really wanted to break it down because we wouldn't want to teach you guys something that's going to get you killed. We wouldn't want to teach you something that's fancy, that looks good, but could even be this much at risk of getting you killed or injured, right? If the guy's got here, now, most videos look like, right now I can see the gun from the mirror. I don't know, are they two, are they three, is there anybody else behind him? He's here. Now, most videos look like this, right? Let me do it again. I'm just making this shit up, guys. So, or somebody says, "Oh, you did it wrong. It's gotta come like this, boom, boom." So he's putting it here, right? I've seen stuff like this. See, I didn't even catch it, right? I've seen stuff like this. I've seen stuff like this. All this shit might get you killed, guys. Okay, I'm being really honest with you because again. I believe as self-defense instructors, we have the responsibility to teach. There's no guarantees. It's all about possibilities and probabilities. That's the way I see it. Is it possible that you pull this off? Yes. Is it probable? No. If the guy has you by this way, number one, your awareness fucked up. He managed to get behind you, put a gun. The worst part, he even has a trap. So take off the trap. Now, without the trap, the dynamics change. This shit might work better, right? Or this stuff might work. With the trap me in the back, now it changes because the fight just changed. Because he has, grab me for real, Pat, you wouldn't let go. If you were here and I did this, so you would think that's what would happen, right? If it was real, then I would have to maybe try to come in and trap the gun. Again, the problem with all these systems, go back, they do stuff like 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks freaking cool. You're like, oh man, I'm going to practice this 1,000 times and I'm going to pull it off. But when the guy's got a gun to your head, adrenaline, fear, losing clarity, all your motor skills, your fine motor skills and technical skills are not as sharp, the fight completely changes. So if the guy's got here, what do I start doing? All right, man, what do you want, man? What do you want?
Give me all your fucking money.
Take it, man. Take it. It's in my pocket.
Where's the box in your fucking closet? Shut up.
Okay.
I know you have the box there. All the jewelry.
Oh, no, man. It's right over there. It's on the bottom. I'll give you the code. I'll do whatever you want, man. Okay, man. Here, I'll get you the money. I'll get you the money. Here it is, man. Here it is. Here.
Hurry up, man. I'm not playing.
Here. It's all yours, man. Just take it. Take it. It's all yours. Okay. Now, Patrick, at no point did I have opportunity to grab the gun. The idea right now is before I decide, and chest to back is the worst, before I decide to do this or this, I'm trying to talk to him, I'm trying to angle here or here, trying to face him, I'm trying to lower his guard, trying to raise his ego, I'm trying to talk, I'm trying to communicate. At this point, it's like, buddy, what do you want? I just want to get out of this alive. You want my money? Fucking take it. Now maybe, let's do it again, and just do it again, Pat. The same scenario.
Give me the box in your house.
All right, man. It's right on the floor, man. It's right over here. I'll give it to you.
Around.
All right, man. Here. Here's the money. Here's the bag. Here it is. It's all yours. Now, again, did you see an opportunity for me to grab the gun? No, because Patrick's attacking me the way an attacker would. Put the gun to my head, straight. Now, you look at a lot of the gun videos. They do this. Guys, nobody's gonna do that. Right, the guy is gonna shoot you. Motherfucker, what the fuck you want, bitch? Shut the fuck up. He's gonna use his arm. He's gonna pull the gun back. He's gonna point with it. He's gonna bring you down. He's gonna bring you up. The gun is moving. It's not static. It's not this, right? Yeah, from here, yeah, if it's just this, I can do this. I can do this. From there, I have options. But the guy's not gonna sit there and be like, no, Pat, if you wanted my money from here, how would you do it? Go.
fucking money right away.
Okay, man, just go ahead. It's in my pocket.
Shut up!
Go ahead, take it, man. It's all yours. It's all yours. I mean, I saw an opportunity. Go back. Put it slow motion. I saw an opportunity where I could do this, right? But again, it's not going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to do this. Pat, what would you do? He's going to pull away. Did I just see the gun? Like I got the gun now is here. He can still turn it here. I would have to pin it, drive it here, and start striking as quickly as possible. Again, that is the reality, guys. And we have a gun defense video, and a lot of it is teaching you about awareness, how to verbally diffuse, how to trap, how to strike. But before I'm teaching you all that, I'm also teaching you the steps, what to look for, how to, there's a great video that I saw on YouTube, and the guy's walking in the club with the gun, just like this, and the bouncer just like, boom, grabs it right away. Again, interaction is faster than reaction. It's being able to intercept. Once the gun is out, point the gun out. Once the gun is here, if I'm here and I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna start trying to talk to him. I'm gonna use my verbal, my awareness. I'm gonna find a way to draw him in. I'm not gonna do this. Right now, if he's stupid to do this. Actually, I won't lie. I actually saw this in a fight once. It was in front of me, actually. I think I shared this story. 2 guys got into a fight. And what happened, the guy pulled out a gun and put it to his head. And this guy said, shoot me. This guy just went white because he pulled out a gun. He wasn't ready to use it. He did this, boom. Guy wasn't even a fighter. He was just a fucking street guy. Right? Grabbed the gun, cracked him. He beat the shit out of the guy. So, again, I don't want to get too much into it, but when you're faced with a gun, you got to use this and this before you go physical. And that's where most of the systems fail. Again, as a self-defense instructor, and for you guys watching, I have my son. My son's 11 years old. And he watches my videos sometimes. And I look at, if my son watched this video, would I teach him to do this, or would I teach him to talk, give the money, find a way to create distance? That's what I would teach to anybody who's watching these videos. Again, we're putting our heart, our soul, we're pressure testing stuff so we can bring you guys real good material that's going to keep you safe. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and stand strong.